Rock, Paper, Scissors Chess, or RPS Chess, combines two of our favorite games into one. The goal is to get rid of all the pieces on the board by using chess movements in the rock, paper, scissors cycle. You may remember RPS Chess in the K2 world. The only difference with this game is that the playing board has more squares. All of the rules are the same. Rock beats scissors, scissor beats paper, and paper beats rock. Following the rules of chess, a bishop can only move diagonally, a rook can only move up and down or side to side, and both can move multiple spaces. While the king can move in any direction but only one space at a time. The rock is the king, the scissors is the bishop, and the paper is the rook. Depending on where the pieces are on the board, you will find there are limits to what each piece can do and how the puzzle can be solved. With more spaces and pieces to capture, it is even more important to know the correct sequence of moves. Let's take this new board for example. We see 2 kings, 2 rooks, and 1 bishop. First, figure out which moves are possible to make from this starting point. If we make the first move to capture the scissors with the rock, we will not be able to capture anything else because no other piece can reach that spot. Press the undo button to take back those moves. Instead, we move the paper to capture the rock, then the scissors to capture the paper. Keeping in mind our goal to leave one piece remaining, our final 2 moves use the paper to capture the rock and the scissors to capture the paper. As you advance to new levels, the patterns will become more difficult and require you to think a little harder about the moves you need to make. If you are not happy with a move you made, click the undo button to bring back the piece, or click the restart button to start that game over. If you want to earn the maximum number of stickers, know that each time you complete a play without using the undo or restart button, you'll earn bonus stickers. Continue to play the games until you complete all 4 rounds and earn the maximum number of stickers. We hope you have fun playing RPS Chess. If you get stuck or want to find out how many stickers you can earn, click the directions button below the game. Good luck!